Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy peanut butter full guide. Start by measuring 2 cups of roasted peanuts and a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil if needed for creaminess. Use a food processor and pulse, scraping sides every minute to keep a smooth blend. Taste and adjust with honey or salt, then jar your peanut butter for storage. Gather your tools and ingredients in a friendly way so you can enjoy the process. Use a good food processor, 2 cups of roasted peanuts, 1 pinch of salt, and optional honey or oil for texture. Have a spatula ready to scrape the sides and sterilize jars for storing your spread. Set a timer if you like to avoid overprocessing and keep the kitchen tidy as you work. Start by pulsing the peanuts in short bursts to break them down evenly and avoid overheating. Once coarse, blend continuously while scraping the bowl every minute to encourage even release of oils. If the texture seems dry, add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil and mix again. Finish by tasting and adding salt or 1 teaspoon of honey for sweetness, then transfer to jars and label with the date for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.